want to learn graphic design, you want to take it professionally, and you don't have the installation kits for either Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW or Fireworks, you can easily log on to photopia.com. Photopia.com requires no installation. All you need to have is just an internet connection to load it up. Alright, so photopia.com gives you the same usability that Photoshop gives you, if not all. I'm not sure of all, but it gives you the basic functionalities that Photoshop gives you and more. Alright, so if you are interested in using Photopia for your graphic design, watch the next video. But if you're not interested, you can just be okay with this video. Alright. Now, once you log on to photopia.com, there's a screen that will come up for you. And all you have to do is look for a times icon around the screen and close the screen. It brings you to this screen that you're seeing here. Alright. Watch the next video if you're interested to start using Photopia.